Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you your new favorite addition to your kitchen. If you love having people over, check out this awesome 2-in-1 Acacia wood stand from Bracy Home. It's not only stunning but also super functional. This can serve as a cake stand or a charcuterie board. The charcuterie board side has indentations that make everything look super appealing. Also, this indentation makes it super easy to set up. Plus, it has a lid so you can easily transfer it and keep everything clean. The two-in-one design is great for saving space in the kitchen. I love the quality and the smooth finish of the wood, and I also love that the lid is clear so you can show off your cake or your charcuterie board. This cake stand is versatile, high quality, and lightweight, making it the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.